sure you wear these safety glasses before starting any work like this. So while checking the engine bay of my car, I observed this, which is corrosion under the positive terminal. So when I removed it, this is what I saw. So I'll remove both terminals, the negative one first, then this positive one, clean it with a solution of baking soda and water. That's the best thing to clean it. And once it is cleaned, then I will use a product which is called battery terminal protector. This. So it is installed between the terminal and the clamp. I'll show you how. So it's a 10 millimeter bolt here and there. Important thing to remember is some cars have security systems or security codes for their radio and other devices. So make sure you have those at hand before you start removing all of this. Make sure you do that. So first of all, we'll go with the negative terminal. Loosen it and take it off. Then we go for the positive terminal. And take it off. That is done. Just put it here so that it doesn't come there. Clean this, and then I'm going to wash it with baking soda and an old toothbrush. I'll show you. So first I'm going to clean it with just water. Make sure you're wearing these nitrile gloves. Now I'll use some baking soda. Just take it out a little bit and apply it here. The reason we use baking soda is that it is alkaline in nature, and the battery is acidic, and all these depositions are also removed easily with this baking soda. And there is some deposit here also, so just clean that too. And this one also. So you can use any sandpaper for making sure there is no rust remaining and the contact is good. So this is all done. I'll take this opportunity to check the water level also. So the electrolyte level seems okay. I'll show you how it looks like. As you can see, all the cells are filled up Otherwise, I would have needed to add some distilled water in it. So the level is fine. I'll check the level on the other plates also. So the red is for positive terminal and the green is for negative terminal. Put the positive terminal first, tighten it, and do the same thing for the negative terminal, and you are good to go. And that's it. Thanks for watching.